What's up my friends, how are you? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm present with the latest update of the Dogecoin. What's the current price of Dogecoin, what's the price change is occurring in the Dogecoin. In this video I will show you friends, but before starting this interesting video I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, because ABS Tech channel give you only and only latest and 100% sure news to all of you friends. So that is why I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much for subscribing us. Let's see my friends the price chart of the Dogecoin. So that is the last 1 hour price chart. As you can see here in the start of hours they fast down, but now currently I think that they move upward, and after some period of time the price will again fast down friends. Let's see my friends the price statistic, and after some period of time again we look the price chart what's going on. You can see here if we look the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market. So the latest price in the market is 0.34444 USD dollar friends. You can see here the price is increased on the front of your eyes, and if you look the opening price of the Dogecoin, so 0.3614 USD dollar friends is the opening price of the Dogecoin in the market, and the lowest price is 0.3229 USD dollar friends. That is the low price of the Dogecoin in the last 24 hours, and the highest price is 0.3727 USD dollar friends in the last 24 hours. That is the highest price of the Dogecoin in the last 24 hours. So what you think my friends? Tell me what you think about Dogecoin. You can see here, oh my goodness, the prices start moving upwards, so I'm very happy to see this. Dogecoin market supply is 129.62 billion is the market supply, and if we look the market cap, so 44.63 billion is the market cap of the Dogecoin friends. Let's see my friends, let's discuss the price chart. As I told you my friends that the price will move upward friends, but remember my friends, don't worry about this. Maybe my friends, there is chances to the price is fast down in the coming soon few days friends. So don't worry about this. That is due to the end of month. In the end of month every cryptocurrency is fast down friends. Remember that, because especially the short term investor and a lot of holders decide to sell Dogecoin friends. Not only Dogecoin, any cryptocurrencies they hold, they decide to sell friends, because they want profit, and so in the end of month they decide to sell. And remember, now in the next month, in the start of June, maybe there is 100% chances to they move upward friends, so they take a jump. So that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell my friends. I know the price is this time is fast down, but after some period of time, after a few days in the start of June, they will again start pumping. So I think it's time to hold my friends. What do you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.